Hello, my name is Ambalaeva Lyudmila. I'm from Ulан-Ude, Russia. I'm 21 years old and my nationality is Buet. Buet language is my mother tongue, but I also can speak English and Russian. I'm a first year student of the Buet State Academy of Agriculture named after Filipov, and my major subject is trade. My interests include reading books, listening foreign music, and playing table game chess. I'm interested in work and travel program because I think it will be the best way for me to learn more about American culture and real life, living and working there. I think this experience will help me grow up as a person, as a professional. I would like to work as a housekeeper or waitress, but any kind of jobs will be great for me. Sometimes I work as a seller of the bread shop, which is owned to my father. To tell you a little bit about myself, I consider myself a very responsible, tranquil, and punctual person. I'm a fast learner, and also my skills include hard working and flexibility. Thank you very much for your time, and goodbye.